Hi, I'm Matt Lynch, and I'm recording this video today because I'm very concerned about issue 15. That's the Hithergreen zoning amendment. There's a couple of things to be aware of regarding this issue. Number one, this is about much more than Hithergreen. This is about the rule of law and long-standing zoning regulations that have protected our open space community and our property values in Washington Township for decades. In fact, this situation creates a precedent from which we may not be able to return to protect our property values. It's important to know that the developer requested increased density and presented his plan to the zoning commission, who unanimously rejected it, 5-0. They said to the developer, putting 32 homes on 8 acres or 4 homes per acre in a neighborhood where the average home is on over half an acre doesn't fit with the community and isn't right for the township. In fact, that kind of zoning doesn't exist anywhere in the township. But if we fast forward, the developer decided to ignore the zoning commission and take his case before the trustees. And the trustees overrode the zoning commission, and they voted to allow the increased density. They ignored 150 to 200 local neighbors who came and told them that it didn't fit. They ignored their own zoning commission, who for years have been informed as to what the zoning regulations are. And oh, by the way, this isn't the first time these trustees have overrode their zoning commission. On the south side of the township in Washington Trace, they ignored the zoning commission. They ignored the zoning commission off of Yankee Road at Austin Pike. This has happened over and over and over. But now, for the first time, thanks to the efforts of a lot of volunteers who gathered over 2,000 of your fellow residents' signatures on a petition, this issue is on the ballot. And you have an opportunity to tell the trustees that you agree with the zoning commission and that it's not okay to override the zoning commission and ignore the will of the people. And it's also not okay to take campaign donations from developers that have had or will have issues before the trustees in the future. Send the right message on May 8th. Vote no on 15. Thanks.